Good day everyone, my name is Brian A. Puentes from BIT 3180A. The next topic is EBAP system. Introduction. The EBAP system is an essential part of a vehicle designed to prevent harmful fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. It captures fuel vapors from the fuel tank and stores them in charcoal canister until they can be burned in the engine, reducing air pollution. Ang EBAP system ay pumipigil sa paglabas ng singaw ng gasolina sa hangin, kaya nakakatulong ito sa pagprotekta ng kalikasan. Iniipon nito ang singaw sa charcoal canister at ginagamit sa makina para masunog na siyang nagpapatipid ng gasolina. Here is the purpose of the EBAP system. Environmental protection. Reduces emission of volatile organic compounds that contribute to air pollution and smog. 2. Fuel efficiency. Prevents fuel loss by storing vapors that can be reused in combustion. 3. Compliance. Helps vehicles meet environmental standards set by regulatory authorities. Ito ang mga parts ng EBAP system. Charcoal canister. Dito iniipon ang singaw ng gasolina bago ito ipadala sa makina. Purge valve naman ay binubuksan ng daan para may padala ang nakaimbak na singaw sa makina upang masunog. Ang vent valve naman ay kinokontrol ang daloy ng hangin at singaw para maiwasan ang sobrang pressure sa sistema. Ang fuel tank ay pinagmula ng singaw ng gasolina. Ang sensors ay ang nagsusuri at nagbabantay kung maayos ang takbo ng sistema at kung may tagas. Here's how it works. Fuel vapors from the tank are absorbed by the charcoal in the canister. When the engine runs under the right conditions, the purge valve opens. Vapors are sent to the engine to be burned during combustion. The vent valve ensures proper airflow and prevents excess pressure. These are the common problems. Faulty purge or vent valves can cause check engine lights. Leaks in the system can trigger emission test failures. Saturated charcoal canister may reduce system efficiency. Conclusion. The EBAP system is vital for reducing vehicle emissions and protecting the environment. Regular maintenance such as checking valves and hoses ensures the system works efficiently and prevents environmental harm and fuel waste. And that is the EBAP system. Thank you.